audiences can either read, or they can listen to us in a presentation. They cannot do both at the same time. In other words, multitasking is a myth. Recent studies are coming out and showing us that the brain, which is incredible, cannot do two things at the same time. The brain can switch between one thing and another very, very quickly, but there is a lag time, and that causes a barrier between us and our audience. So we have to design our presentations accordingly. What that means is that we shouldn't have too much to read on the screens, because the other point in this guideline is that the audience will choose to read over listen to you. We almost can't help it. If we see something on a screen, we have to read it, and therefore we cannot listen to the presenter. So design your presentations accordingly, knowing that multitasking is a myth. You might be asking, but Mike, the audience has to have this information. They have to have it all. Well, refer back to guideline number 1. Create a deck and give it to them after the presentation. You just watched a lesson from my eCourse on Presentable You. I made that course back in 2017, and thousands of people have learned to communicate well due to that course. Since then, I've created a new and improved version of Presentable You that I use to teach workshops and coaching around the world. But there's still so much value in that 2017 e-course. I have decided to give the e-course away. That's right, I'm going to give it away for free. Thanks so much for working so hard to communicate well. The world really needs you. Best of luck.